Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. This Wednesday we're expecting rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, and with another clear, dry night ahead, it will become cold once again on the Highveld. There's another frontal system approaching the Western Cape, and we'll take a closer look at it in a moment. The morning started off clear across South Africa except for a bank of fog along the west coast, and it became cloudy between Durban and Richards Bay, where we're expecting rain later on. But to the south of the country, there's a lot of action taking place with a series of cold fronts moving in an easterly direction. This is the frontal system that brought rain in Cape Town on Tuesday, and here's the next cold front still far to the west of South Africa, and it reaches Cape Town during the early morning hours of Thursday. Evening rainfall is possible over the Cape Peninsula, and we have a 40% chance of light rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline and the adjacent interior. As the cold fronts continue to move in an easterly direction, it will stay fairly cloudy in the Western Cape during the course of Thursday, with high cloud over the rest of the Cape provinces, but it will be a very hot day in the Lowveld as well as the KZN province, with maximum temperatures of 30 degrees or more. The wind for this afternoon remains fresh in the Karoo as well as in Cape Town, with light east to southeasterly winds along the Eastern Cape coastline and a fresh southwesterly breeze in Richards Bay. Daytime temperatures in the upper 20s over northern South Africa, 27 degrees in Upington, Mahikeng and Pretoria, 30 degrees in Mbombela today. It's cooler over the central interior with 23 in Bloemfontein and Cape Town with a maximum of only 19. Once again, we're expecting a cold start to the day over the southern and eastern interior. Temperatures below zero in Sutherland, 2 degrees in Graafrenet and Bethlehem, 8 overnight in Johannesburg, with Pretoria and Mbombela dropping to lows of 9 and mid-teens in Durban and Richards Bay. Speaking of Durban, we're expecting a mostly cloudy afternoon with some light rain and a maximum temperature of 24 degrees, southerly winds up to 20 kilometers per hour. But tonight we're expecting the southerly wind to become northeasterly, and with that the rain starts to clear with an overnight low of 15 degrees. Weather remains fine and warm on Thursday over the northern parts of the country, partly cloudy conditions mainly due to high cloud over the coastal areas, Mbombela reaching a high of 30, and on Friday there's more rain in the forecast for Cape Town while it remains cool in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.